In this segment of this video, we are going to discuss how you can do conditional formatting in Microsoft List. So let me share my screen, and I am in my created demo marketing list. So in Excel and Google Sheet, if you want to do conditional formatting, it's not easy. But in Microsoft List, it's quite easy. For example, if I will go here and select a row, so click on this, all items. Let me close this, all items. And at very bottom, you can see format current view. So click on it, and the first option we have, that is format view. Here we have selected list, and if you want to color alternative rows style, you will select this. So you can see one row will be gray and another row will be white, and that's the a very common style if you want to just differentiate rows. You can also select that which color you want to use. You can select from here. The other color you can select from here. So this is how you can change your color formatting. Apart from that, if you want some conditional formatting, you will select this, and here you can see we have a condition. You can select a row. So the conditions we can set from here is if column status is equal to active, the color will be this. So this is how you can add. So we can go and add more rows. Demo 3. Let me add anyone name, a date and time, and again active and exit. So you can see this is how it's coming. Again, we'll go here and we can click on edit. We'll go to active and save, and now you can see all 3 rows having same color. If we change the color with this, you can see we have same color. So this is how you can format your whole grid based on the value you have in one column. If you don't want to do that, remove from here. We'll go here and remove from here. If you want column formatting, you will select the format columns. Here you will select the status. For example, let me go here, uncheck and save. So we'll have changes applied, and again we'll go back to the format column and select status or any one column. Whichever column you want, you can select. For example, I'm going to select a column name and conditional formatting. If add a rule, if column name is equal to Sandeep, I will add this color. So you can see if column name is equal to Sandeep, the color will be this. And this is how you can format your columns as well based on the condition. You can add multiple conditions. If like I added for this, add rule. So I will add one more rule. If column name equal to Anup, then we'll have this column. So let me go back. So you can see you can add multiple conditions, and based on that you can change column color. So this is how you can do the formatting of your grid row and list row and also column color. Now we'll come back to the format view. Here we have gallery view, and now you can see view is completely changed in a different way. This here we'll have a kind of gallery view. So you can also select the rows and you can edit from here. And same kind of formatting you can use after that, like the you want to show how many columns you want to show. If you don't want to show title, you will remove the title. You don't want to show status, you will remove the status. So this is how you can manage your view as well in cards. And the column conditioning is same. You will go here, add the rule, and based on that you will have uh, your column colors like that. For example, is equal to active, we are going to set color like this. So this is how you can also format your gallery view as well. But if same kind of effects you want to add in Excel in Google Sheet, it's not easy. It's quite complex to uh, add the coloring and the formatting for columns and rows in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet. But it's quite easy when you are using Microsoft List.